mentally insane.
He is mentally retarded. I mean, mentally insane.
But then I'd like to know something really stupid.
He's plain crazy.
You said that on my camera.
Oh boy, don't put that. Mentally retarded.
Don't listen to that.
No, because did he pull this off?
Yes.
God damn it! Go, get out, get over here, get. Get.
Yeah, his mouth.
Get.
Oh my God!
Asshole. You're an asshole. It's not your fault. But you are. You're nuts. You're playing crazy.
Ah!
Crazy.
One! Ah! Walk it inbound! Walk it inbound! Walk it inbound!
Alright, now he's starting to growl when he jumps up. Now time to stop, because you know how he gets.
Hello!
The mighty ass fighter.
I'm recording that.
Don't post it. Don't.
I'm sorry guys. Do not listen to that. What?
Pull them paws closed.
No, come on! You said you were gonna play.
Oh, that's right. I forgot.
Okay. Okay.
Let's gotta go big.
Okay. Aw. Ah! Walkie. Whoa. 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 Dang. Where's he going? Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, here it comes. Here comes the demon. Oh. Walkie? Walkie! I'm coming down, Pop. Coming down. I'm coming down, Pop. There you go. There you go. There. There he is. Look at the camera. What are you doing? What are you doing? Thank you guys for watching this mentally crazy dog video. Thank you for watching. Hashtag Pro Skills.